Unlike most consumer-grade switches, the R11 provides complete JSON-RPC 2 support via HTTP, webhook, and MQTT, giving developers and tinkerers full control. Whether you want to create custom automations, integrate with third-party services, or build your own smart home dashboard, the Open API opens the door to endless possibilities. The R11 doesn't just turn devices on or off. It helps you understand their energy footprint. Real-time energy monitoring with hour-level export and cloud-based statistics allows for smart energy management and cost tracking, perfect for eco-conscious households or technical enthusiasts. Installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with standard electrical wiring. Once connected to the neutral and live wires, the R11 can be paired with your Wi-Fi network. From there, either use the Refoss app or leverage the Open API for advanced configurations. Home Assistant users will appreciate the instant detection and control options.